In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix the Windows 11 hotspot is not working and how we can fix this. So whenever you are trying to use the Windows 11 as a hotspot, or whenever you are trying to use it, and if you're going through this kind of issue, this is what we have to do. There are many reasons it won't working, or when you're trying to hotspot it from the PC to another device, it won't turn or it's not working. This is what we have to do. So the first one, what you need to do is we have to go over here in the search. Now we need to type your first settings and you have to click on this. Now from here, what you need to do is go to the network and internet. From here, what you need to do is we have to click on the Wi-Fi here. So the first and foremost step is make sure the Wi-Fi is turned on. So the reason why I turned this off, I'm on the Ethernet. So you just need to go back. So if you're on the Wi-Fi, it will be already turned on. Then you have to try turning on the mobile hotspot. Then you have to check. Still, if it's not working, what you need to do is after going through this, we have to try few more things. That is all about. What you need to do is we have to go over here, close this and go over here, and we need to type for view network connection over here like this, and that will try to bring you over here like this. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to find over here we have three options, one called the Wi-Fi, and we have this one that is called the Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct Visual. And what you need to do is we have to disable this and you have to enable it back. Disable and enable it back. Most probably this particular thing that called Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct Visual Adapter should be worked in most of the cases. After disabling and enabling it back, you can just go back and try turning on the mobile hotspot and you have to check. Next one is all about we have to go over here in the search. Now we need to type here for registry editor, and what you need to do is we have to just click on this. And over here you have to go to this and go for yes. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to go to the H key local machine, go to the system. Now from here, go to the current control set. Now from here, we have to go to the services. And from here, what you need to do is we have to scroll it down all the way down, and we have to navigate to the WLAN. So keep scrolling down till the bottom. You can just use like this. And we have to navigate to something here called WLAN here. So we have to find it. WLAN SVC, and from here you will be able to find. So you have to expand this, find the parameters. And over here what happens is you'll be able to find something called hosted network. So if you're not able to find it, the reason, so we have to expand this. And from here you have to go to the expand the parameters and go to the hosted network settings. Now from here, what you need to do is you'll be able to find this one over here, and you have to right click, go for delete it. After deleting, you have to do a restart on a PC and you have to check. So these are the steps, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.